Kachi! Kachi, Mom! Kachi! 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 You!
No.
Kachi, your father! Huh? Your father, Kachi! Huh? Your father is dead! Come inside. No amount of pride that will bring him back.
We resorted to traditional medicine since we cannot pay the extravagant and outrageous bills that the hospital were giving to us. We ceased to sustain him with that until he gave up the ghost.
Hey, Papa, why? Why? Papa, why? Eh? Why couldn't you wait for me to return from prison? Why? Why couldn't you just wait a little longer, Papa? What are you going to make on the Enyiocha? What are you going to make on the Enyiocha? Why?
Has severely degenerated and must undergo the surgery if he must survive. But I tell you, that will cost you people a lot of money.
Oh, okay, doctor, how much are you? How much?
Just 200,000 naira.
Hi. Hi. See, doctor, me and my brother, with my mother and my sister, our entire family, we don't have up to 10,000 naira. Not to talk of 200,000 naira. From where? Help us now, please. What can you do?
I wish I could help. But here we follow procedures. The money must be paid before the operation commences. I'm sorry.
Hi, Obina, please. I beg you in the name of God, help me. Help me. You and I, you know my level. I can't go to any other person for it. I don't even have anybody to go to. Please now. See, Obina, if you do this thing for me, believe me, I know God will bless you. And for the rest of my life, I'll be indebted to you. Someday I'll be able to pay. Because, please now, I don't... The money is not even for me. It's not for me. It's for my father is very sick. He's dying. Eh? I should come tomorrow. Hey. I will come. Obina, I will come. Don't worry. I will come. Don't. That's not a problem. I will come. First thing tomorrow, you'll see me, okay? I will come. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Hey.
What did he say? Hey. What did he say?
He said he would give me the money, I should come.
God, I know you're not asleep.
But there's a little problem. How do we raise money for your transportation, knowing that we have exhausted all the money that we have after paying Papa's hospital bills? How do we raise money?
Kachi, you know my handset is worth 15,000 naira. I'm thinking if we could get a buyer that would be willing to buy it as a fairly use.
Or we could sell mine. Let's sell my own.
You people don't even think of selling your phones. Huh? If anybody should sell his phone, it should be me. I'll sell my phone to take care of you guys, not you selling your phones for me. Okay? Don't worry. I did some work for Mazi Amadi on his farm today. He paid me some little money. I believe that will be able to take me to Obina's place.
Hey, Chibueze Madalo, I know that God is with us, and He will never let us down.
Amen.
Emilano, you're not eating your food, for goodness sake. What is the problem?
No.
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry?
Don't worry, I'll eat.
Kachi, don't be too hard on yourself. When I come back from work in the morning, I'll give you the money.
Huh?
I have to leave now, okay?
By this time?
You know.
So what can you now?
We'll talk tomorrow. When I come back tomorrow, we'll talk.
I don't even know what to say. Only God will bless you for me. Thank you. I mean, if not for you, where could I have found 250,000 naira from? Eh? This hard time.
It's okay. It's okay. It's nothing, okay? Emilano, it's supposed to be it's nothing. We are friends right from our primary school days. You just struggle that set us apart. All the same, you're welcome, okay? You're welcome.
My brother, not all friends understand though. Some friends are so wicked. I'm telling you, they will never help anybody in need.
You know, true friends, they are like diamonds, okay? They glitters in someone's life.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
That's something. Let me drop you off, okay?
Musa! Oga?
I open gate.
Okay.
When we get to the station, you know. Do I blame myself? Or do I blame life? Do I blame the fangs of poverty? What have I not done? How many times one day? How many times have we entered the street? Then go. Come back when I find. How many times? How many all kinds of jobs? What have I not done? I look at laborer. What have I not done? I've even worked as an apprentice in Messiva. They will not settle me. I come back to square one. What have I not done? What? Hey, Papa. Maybe this is why Obinna resorted to a life of crime.
Stop.
Mako.
Stop. Don't say such unholy words, son. I know we may be poor, but the love, peace and oneness that exists amongst us as a family is a treasure that is very rare. let us all try and be contented and pray that God changes our fate for good. Don't be desperate, because desperate people end up in regrets. All we need is prayer and hard work. Remember how we've been able to survive all these years. And don't forget all your exciting childhood, even in lack. Maybe I should refresh your memory with a special song. Yes.
I thought you boys would have rounded up by now.
See, Ofo, honestly, the money we bargained for this your work compared to the work is too small.
Yes.
Honestly, no disrespect though, but it's too small. See now, see that whole place. We finished that whole side, cleared everywhere. We now entered here. Ofo, Biko, put something small for us so we'll have motivation to continue.
Yes. Stop complaining, Kachi. If you guys have suddenly become lazy for the job, you better quit now. Because there are people out there who will do this job, even for lesser amount.
I see. It's not true. Ofo, no laborer in Umuabi will do this work. Clear this whole place. See that place. See that vast place that we cleared. Enter here again for that small amount that we collected from you. No laborer in Umuabi.
Yes, now. I don't own unemployment line at this job. At this village. When laborer got this kind of
even outside this village, no laborer. Possible. You see now, it's not like I'm something small, Biko. We have motivation to continue.
Look, Kachi, stop bringing this your pathetic situation to this matter. Am I God that has suddenly turned your family with cause of poverty? If
not for one thing, honestly, if not for one thing, me and my brother Naya Hajegi here, honestly, don't insult my family, please. No matter what, not because we are doing this thing. Don't insult our family.
Think we have to stop. Pick up.
Indeed. See, just save your strength for work rather than wasting it on words. And you better be fast about the job, oh. I'm going, I will come later.
No, ma'am. That's why I'm going to this. You must add money.
What is this now? Yeah? How long do we continue like this? Eh? How long? I mean, what have we not done? Eh? We have done all sorts of menial jobs. Just to feed. Eh? Look at us. Talking to us like children. Look at this offer. Eh? What is it now? How do we continue like this now? Is there anything else where we did different? Do we do anything different now? Why now?
Why? Can I complete alright? So that we can balance. Look, can I complete the whole mistake I make?
No, Maria. I want my money today. I won't take any more excuse. If I don't get my money today, heaven will let loose. No, I want my money. Give my money. Tell me.
I know. Please, because then, I know we've disappointed you, but just give us a little time.
I see Oku. What do you mean patience? I won't take any more patience. all of you must give me my money. I lent you 90,000 for your husband burial. Did I do any wrong? Enyiocha, give me my money, my money. I want it. Okay. Don't waste your time. No. I want my money. Mama. I want my money. Mama. I want my money.
Okay, what is it?
I want my money.
Nine wire. Don't worry, Mama.
Remember my friend.
See, you are right. Okay, and you are completely right. Anything you decide to do to us now because of this thing, even if you want to take this whole house, you are right. Please, for the sake of God, baby, go. Just okay. Don't disturb my mother. Don't disturb my family. I will pay.
You will pay. Abia, Akuko Mikeja, where in your miserable life can you get that kind of money today? Let me ask you. Look at you, hopeless person like you. My friend, don't get this person.
See my mother on the ground begging you now. See my mother kneeling down. Open okay. Please now.
Go inside, I said. Afaji, if I come here next time and my money is not given to me, consider yourself doomed. Consider all of you doomed. It's okay. Let's not do it.
No, thank you. I want to go and see Ijeoma. Let me get balance for the farm work we did for him. Theo and Chima, when they come back, tell them to go to the bush and check our traps. See if I can get some money and settle this.
It's okay.
Here, it's your Enyiocha.
No problem. It's okay. Get up. I think I have a better solution for this. Kachi, may I see you and your mother inside?
Che.
No problem. Also, let's go. Kachi, like I said before, I would like us to settle this amicably so that there will be no problem. You see, for over 6 years now, I've been lonely since I lost my wife. And I need a companion. I mean a wife who will take care of me and born me a male child. Since my late wife couldn't give me any. You know, I couldn't name my wife is late. So I would like to marry Ijeoma, your sister, so that all this debt will be settled. I will take care of her, yeah.
family. No problem about that. Yes. Yes.
Huh? No, did I just hear you correctly? Marry who? My little sister Chioma. My sister, that small one, Chioma. Did you consider the age gap between both of you? Now you are old enough to be her father. What the? Who?
Kachi, what are you talking about? Eh? You're talking of age. Age is just a number. Well, if you refuse my proposal, then you give my money. Yes, I want my money.
It's okay.
It's okay, Kachi. Kachi. Hi. Okay, Loro, no dear. It hasn't gotten to this. Anyway, we heard you. The next step now is to tell Chioma. Then we'll get back to you, Cello, we'll get back to you. Oh, okay, we're going to do Chioma. It's okay. I've heard you. The sooner the better.
Impossible. Yamame. How can he give such an impossible condition? Over my dead body, will that shameless he-goat marry Chioma, my sister? It's not possible. Imagine. Can you imagine? Eh? That miserable old fool. Can you hear about here? No, Mama, can't even happen.
Mama, brother, I have made it clear to all of you. I will not marry him.
It's okay, it's okay. Because I understand it's not a good development, but considering his threat if we fail to pay the debt, I think it's a potent idea.
Get it. It's a guinea.
You never hear what they go.
Potent? What would you do with potent idea? Which potent idea? See, that old man will not come near my sister or marry her, not while I'm alive. You see the first person they are owing money. See, I want
Echo, I
will not marry anybody. Mama, I will not marry anybody. I will not marry anybody.
This is the height of it all. The height of this poverty, suffering and humiliation. Imagine that old pig asking for my dear sister's hand in marriage. No, I cannot fold my hands anymore and watch things degenerate. Never.
Your wish is clear, just like the crystal, as brim as the moon. But I'm afraid the truth will hit you like a poisonous spear.
Your words are quite complicated, wise one.
Yeah. Complicated is the circumstance here.
How do you mean? Wise one, can you make it simpler for me to understand? I don't get you.
Sad. So sad, my son. How a loving father desperately traded on the future destinies of his wife's womb in an exchange of fruit of the same womb.
You are still confusing me, wise one. Make this thing simpler for me to understand now, please.
It was a covenant done long time ago. Long time ago. So long before you were born. What a mortal desperation could cost.
Please, I beg you. Help me plead with Ezekudene, our gods. Please, help me. Plead with Ezekudene. That he will bless me with that which our local god, Ofuku, the god of Umuabi, has denied me. Please, help me plead with Ezekudene. I'll be very loyal. I'll be very loyal to Ezekudene if he grants me this request.
Ezekudene, 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 Ezekudene. You have been favored by Ezekudene by granting your request of having as many children as you wish, but not without paying a little price in return.
What is it? What is the little price?
Ezekudene will take the destiny of your seeds. None of them shall be successful in life. Poverty and misfortune shall be their portion all the days of their lives.
Poverty and misfortune and be their lot all the days of their life. Hey, Otubo, is there no other way we can appease Ezekudene other than sacrificing the fate of unborn children?
Ezekudene has been so generous and is always worthy of the little he demands in return. There is no exception, no alternative, except if you don't want to hear the cries of babies within your walls.
Well, there's no that way. Say that there's no that way. Oh, but a man without a net cannot go a fishing. He cannot go a fishing without a net. A childless man has no date with destiny. Ezekudene, appeal to me. Ezekudene, have mercy on me. Otubo, I accept the demands of Ezekudene.
Ezekudene, 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 Adukwe Ezekudene, 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 Ezekudene. You have spoken, and so shall it be. Now, you have seen why fate has remained unfair to you and your siblings.
Hey. I can't believe this. Wise one, it's been so many years. We have suffered for so long.
Can't something be done about it? Can't you reverse the course? Can't our destinies be turned around? Something, please.
A covenant made with Ezekiel. He is like a carving done on a rock that even a mighty ocean cannot wash away. I am afraid what you're asking for is an impossibility. Just go home, get yourself adjusted, and bear with your fate.
Why are you here?
Why are you a coward?
Why will you stand at the middle of the road?
Nico, why are you a coward? Can't you just match this thing and just take me?
Okay, stay there, let me kill you.
Yes, kill me. Step on this thing and remove me from this miserable world. Stop acting like a woman. Match this thing and just get it on the way, man.
It's okay. Rapia.
A man be doing like a woman.
Mechanistic.
Eh? Tonto.
Live on direct.
If it's just Igbo's own way.
Tonto, is it? Tonto, Igbo's own way. Wait. You, this Dikeh. What happened to you now? After school days, you just left Umuabi. What happened? You gave in on here, man.
See, long story. I have been around the world. As for Kimbali Meba for now, I came around to inspect my multi-million-dollar balls in a naira filling station. That filling station, I'm not under construction.
That big filling station.
I got gigantic one.
Hey.
If you look at the label, it is written Itoto Oil and Gas Limited.
Hey. Hey, my man now filling station. Namu abia kuchiri moto.
Hey, mano kwekene ukitao. That name ade was called. If any was in Nabo, they call me the natural utility to pass. I was there, Papa Ja.
You will not kill me. Good to see you.
Tell me, where are you up to?
I was supposed to be going home.
You think you would alone with? No. No way, not when I'm alive. In my family now. Let us go somewhere, eat, drink a little. Then you tell me the Enakaku story.
Hey, Tonto.
Papa Ja. Okay.
What is this?
That is the natural utility to pass. The original Papa Ja. The utility to pass.
Lack of no money, bad you. If you say money no good, now you sabi you. If you no get the money, who are you? Do you get the money? How are you? If you dey suffer, get away. If you get the money, have a nice day. Money good.
know what actually hurts me? Is when I think of the fact that my mother is dead. Coming back here to Mabi, my maternal home totally becomes of no interest anymore. Emeka, it hurts me so deeply whenever I think of the fact that my mother is dead. What am I coming here to do? What him and Asila? No Belede, Dikeh. Huh? And I want to Belede, Dikeh. So I made up my mind to invest right here in my maternal home, at least to keep my childhood alive. If I need to tell them, I won't be further. That is the reason why I started building that filling station, that mega filling station.
It's really sad to hear of your mother's death. Honestly, I didn't know. Sorry, yeah? Take heart.
Come on. Emeka, 6 years is enough to heal a wound. Huh? The major thing now that is so pathetic is seeing you in this condition. Honestly. Because it hurts me deep. See, Emeka, if you flash back to those days that we were in school, Ijeta, we were like brothers, as schoolmates. Ijetalia, when I think about your intelligence, you know those days you are so intelligent that even me, I was envious of you. But seeing you in this condition, it hurts. It hurts me. I must confess. But let me tell you something. It is well. It is well. Because nas na ife melombido malomkose or endogo. I don't know if you remember that our slogan back those in school. Remember that our slogan. That it is better. A good friend will give a good friend a net and not a fish. Do you remember that slogan? And that a good friend will give a good friend a net and not a fish. But when you tune into the right frequency, you get right music. You know, you tune into the wrong frequency and you got the wrong signal. And I follow home with Gunemurisi. Montana, Wala Metana Tumbode, Ada Metana Tumbode. Ta. You see, Emeka, money I will not give to you, but I will show you the gate of money. I will lead you to the gate of wealth. Boy, I will go another way.
Tonto. I'm short of words. Tonto, thank you. See, I've been in this village. Everybody has abandoned me. And that is what I keep telling other people. Don't give me fish. Give me the net. Show me how to catch my own fish. That's exactly what you said here. And that is what you want to do for me. Thank you, Bitoto. God will bless you.
Hey, come on.
Are you sure that joining your friend in the city is a good idea? Remember your past experience with your friend Obina who sent you to jail. You know some friends are not what they seem to be.
Well, Mama, you have a point there. But
We can't keep thinking negatively now. I just have to try. I wouldn't say because that thing happened, I'll just sit down. If someone offers to help, I'll try now. Besides, I have known Peter since we were kids, from school days. All you have to do is keep praying for me, Mama.
Mama, he's right. Mama, he's right. I mean, there's no harm in trying. What else can we do?
Last one again. If you people say so, must me hold some me.
Mama, let's go to bed.
Mama, don't worry.
Good night. I pray that our good Lord, who provided this your friend that promised to help you, will see you through this journey and will make a turning point in your life.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Mama.
I wish you journey mercy.
It's well. Wanda, I wish you good luck. Thank you.
Good luck, bro.
Okay. You people should remember me in prayer, so.
Why not? Why not?
Kekede bunamozo.
Bunamozo. Let it come out.
Kachi, I will miss you.
It's okay. It's okay, don't worry. Before you know it, I'll be back. And most importantly, let's pray that God provides for us this time.
I'm not talking about.
Leave. I'll go to Mama. Don't worry, before you know it, I'll be back. And most importantly, I pray God helps us.
What is it?
Please, you all should take very good care of Mama. Take good care of Mama.
Chichi's okay, also good.
Don't worry.
Johnny Mercy. What's going on around? Eh? What's going on?
Money good, money they make man to find me. No shaking, I couldn't see your BK. Money good, Obamaka no money.
See, Toto, it's not like I'm worried. Eh? I trust you, but see, we just got into a lonely road, and as we are moving, it's even getting lonelier. See, forest everywhere.
Emeka. Again, maybe you want to make money, and then you want to become a billionaire. Will you go there, Emeka? Calm down. Relax. Just come. You're going with me. Let me take you to the gate of money, where you will see money, take so much money that you will not be able to carry some home. You know, go.
Money good, money they make man to find me. No shaking, I couldn't see your BK. Money good, Obamaka no money good, money they make life sweet. Oye Diego na baku wanacho. Money good, Obamaka. Money good, money they make man to find me. No shaking, I couldn't see your BK. Money good, Obamaka. Eman Obamaka. Ogalanya jebe, Esoluya jebe, Oye mego, Ugbo, Ogalanya naba, Esoluya naba, Oye minfego, Billionaire pota, Esoluya pota, Oye Nego, Omume, Omega dollar, Openaira, Omume, Ifego,
Again. Where are you taking me to now? Is this where you do the oil business?
Didn't you say that you want to make money? That you want to be a billionaire and be in the league of money making like me? Huh? Follow me, son.
I don't mean no money bad now.
I'm going to go come. I can't go see a ban. Follow me. Monada one or I want you, Lona one email. Here is our destination. Here, the whole money is here.
Pito, this is a shrine now. I don't mean money back.
This is our destination. We're here. This is our destination. This is the place. Oh, Voko! Oh, Voko! The alumni of physical cash. Your son has come. Great one. We're here. I brought you son.
Kachi, son of Omuka. I know you more than you know yourself.
Huh? Speaking Bible.
A great ambition is a great prize.
Oh, great of all. Huh? The spiritual power of the physical cash, the pound sterling, the dollar, the euro, and of course the naira. He is willing to do anything. Whatever you demand of him, he shall do. Are you not willing? You're willing, huh? Ovoko is willing.
Your wishes will be beyond your imagination, but you must sacrifice the blood of your own. Blood of the ones you love most. Your younger brother, Ijeoma.
Hey! Pito!
What is it?
Mama, I still need more.
But you almost ate all the yam now.
But I need more.
Huh. It's okay, Adam. It's okay. I understand. I know you're still hungry, but this is all we have. There's no other food in the house. Eh? My children, please. This is all we have. You know the condition of this family ever since your father fell from the palm tree, leaving the family all alone for me to take care of. Please. Don't worry. Let me go to Mama Onye's house. Let me go and borrow some money. Maybe I'll use it to prepare some.
Mama, don't be too hard on yourself, okay? We all appreciate your effort towards us, Mama. See, Mama, I pray that God is going to see us through.
I pray that God is going to give me the money, so I will take care of you and my brothers and sister.
Hey, Mom, thank you very much. Thank you. The Lord will bless you and keep you. Your word of encouragement means a whole world to me. Kachi Mom, you are a gift. Just the way God made you a lamp to this family. I pray that one day God will bless you and provide for you so that you will make us proud.
Thank you, Mama. And thank you for confiding in me, Mama.
Darling.
Mama, I promise to love you. And I promise to sacrifice anything, even if it takes the last drop of my blood. Okay?
Dalo, Manimao, you're not going to die. And none of you, Chimatio, Chioma, none of you will die. You're not going to die. You will all live for me. Oh? Let me teach you a song my mother taught me when I was of your age. Okay. You're going to join me. Oh. It goes like this. Wanne doto wanne doto wanne doto wanne. Oh yeah. Wanne doto wanne doto Oribenye wanne wanne doto Omubanye wanne wanne doto wanne jejemba wanne doto wanne jejemba wanne doto Tiyobo wanne wanne doto Chima bo wanne wanne doto Kachi so bo wanne wanne doto Choma bo wanne wanne doto Oribenye wanne.
Now that it's all clear to me that I will remain in this misery for the rest of my life, what is the need of living anymore? I guess it's time to end it all. Yes, suicide is the best option. Great Ofoko, great one. I have thought about everything and I understand that there is no going back. When I go back, I die. But please, can I make a request? Take my life, take my blood, take me in place of my brother. Please do not hurt my family. Take me instead. Please.
Quite a strange request granted. You have 2 months to live and enjoy riches in great measures, after which you will die and leave your world behind for your family. But remember, you must keep everything that happened here a secret.
I have heard you, great.
You must also purchase a coffin you will be buried with. The coffin must undergo a compulsory rituals before your death. You heard it clearly.
I heard you clearly.
Chubukachi, are you mad? Are you crazy? For God's sake, how could you take such a decision? Eh? Can you tell me the essence of making money and not being alive to enjoy the money? What is the essence?
See, I cannot make money, stay alive, and enjoy my money while my siblings are dead. I can't.
Oh, is that it? So you now value the lives of your siblings better to your own? Is that more than yours? Alana, I think you're mad.
You see, let me tell you, what you have done is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. But for God's sake, I've never heard of this before now. That a man sacrifices himself to make money only for others to live and enjoy the money while he dies and goes? Hey!
Toto, it's already too late. I've taken the decision. I cannot go back. It's too late.
Of course it's too late. It's not late. Kachi, as you die and go, remember the madness I thought I told you out there. It didn't pass. It didn't pass. Allah, just check it. Allah.
Lack of no money bad you. If you say money no good, now you sabi you. If you no get the money, who are you? Do you get the money? How are you? If you dey suffer, get away. If you get the money, have a nice day. Money good, oh. Money they make life sweet, oh. Oje Diego na baku wana cho money good, Obamaka. Money good, oh. Money they make man to find me, oh. No shaking, I couldn't see a big money good, Obamaka no wa. Money good, oh. Money they make life sweet, oh. Oje Diego na baku wana cho money good, Obamaka. Money good, oh. Money they make man to find me, oh. No shaking, I couldn't see a big money good, Obamaka. Eman Obamaka. Ogalanya jebe, Esolu ya jebe, Oye mego, Ugbo, Ogalanya naba, Esolu ya naba, Oye minfego, I'm moto, big house, Ifego, Meloni ya pota, Esolu ya pota, Oye mego, $1 open naira, Ifego, suffer, get away. If you get the money, have a nice day. Yeah. Money good, oh. Money they make life sweet, oh. Oje Diego na baku wana cho money good, Obamaka. Money good, oh. Money they make man to find me, oh. No shaking, I couldn't see a big money good, Obamaka no wa. Money good, oh. Money they make life sweet, oh. Oje Diego na baku wana cho money good, Obamaka. Money good, oh. Money
I like. I like the sight.
Big house, Ifego, Meloni Apota. solu ya pota oye mego omume ome na dollar omo naira omume ifego
I sign here. And this one. One more. Is that all?
My name is Daniel.K.
Remove everything. Just take everything. Go inside and take everything.
Nine.
What are you trying to do? Remove everything! I said remove everything!
Please now. Just help us.
I said take out the organic. Please, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to a poor widow like me? Because they are not. Oh, please, I'm begging you.
Obamaka. Money good. Money, they make man to find me. No shaking. I couldn't see your big money good.
I wanted us to settle it in an amicable way, but you refused. Since you don't like it that way, remove everything I said! I will give you this money. I will pay you. Which year? Money. I bet. Take everything out!
And what is going on here? Huh? Oh, you. One minute.
Kachi.
Come back.
Kachi.
Kachi. Man. Tell come back. How are you? Can tackle on Okay, Morgini. What is the meaning of this?
I mean my money. Egomu. My money.
The money. Yes. That's all. Watch hello. Be guy who never want anything here. Just wait. I'm back. Hello, can tackle all this man.
No?
This is 200,000 naira. Take. Okay, now Omega now. Thank you. This money is enough to take care of whatever we are owing you. It will take care of any problem you have now and any problem you plan to have in the future. Let this be the very last time I will see you in this compound disturbing my family. In fact, I don't even want to see you on this street again. Well, in trouble we got the last capital here you can walk from here, man. Also, what are you? No,
Kachi!
Is it that one? That is actually one of my automobiles. Don't worry. It's actually a
proud.
When I'm to the 10, it's on change all of them. On the 10, it's on.
Your film 3.
Mama, this is a mirror.
Hey! Are you a mate?
Come and see my car. On the
Hey!
This is a miracle. Hey!
Range Rover! Range Rover!
If you say
Mama,
who are you? Do you get the money? If you suffer, get away. If you get the money, have a nice day. Money good, money they make life sweet. Oye Diego na baku wana choma money good, money they make man to fight.
Hey! Why got my take on that? Before I see what you Hey, Mama. You see all this thing I told you before? That's exactly how it happened. Now my friend Pitoto, God will bless him. You see Pitoto, he did not only introduce me to oil business. He also gave me money, loan, huge sum of money to set up my own business and do things. As I speak to you now, I have houses in the city.
With an houses.
In fact, I bought filling stations.
Houses. Not one. Each one you cook.
Or they can get and then I bought cars to go along.
For the automobile.
First thing tomorrow morning, Mama, we are all moving from this place to our new house, our big mansion in the city.
Tomorrow? No, it's too short. It's too short for us to relocate just like that.
Why can I Mama time out?
Mama, time out. I make it go ya. I make it go. Bye. What are we going to do?
We are moving. Tomorrow morning we all relocate from this place straight. You see here, I don't want you to take anything from this place. Only your phones. How can you even take all those your cheap phones? Just bring out the SIM card, drop the phones in the village.
Hey, I'm going to be a city girl.
We're going to
God has shamed our enemies.
Amen.
This is what I call oil.
Amen. It's not the oil money complete now. Pure, run now, back pump now. In fact, I'm going now.
Yeah, we're on chikasin this and that. Chikasin in Canada. Chikasin oil money. I got Mama, cool down. Cool down.
If you don't get the money, who are you? Do you get the money? How are you? If you suffer, get away. If you get the money, have a nice day. Money good, money they make life sweet. Oye Diego na baku wana choma money good, Obamaka. Money good, money they make man to fight. No shaking, I could see a big money good, money they make life sweet.
Yes, Theo? Yes. Chima? Ijeoma?
Brother?
Mama?
Agunwa?
Yes, I know it's just been a few days since we relocated from the village to the city. So, I'm supposed to give you some breathing space. It's for you to settle down before having this meeting. But because of the nature of my business, we just have to do this now. Because I may not be around to do this later. I'll be traveling to a very far place. In a short space of time, I'll be gone.
But where are you going to?
Actually, I'll be going to join my ancestors.
Hey!
Is it?
What? Ha! Don't mind me. I'm just kidding.
Don't play. Do not play like that again.
I was just joking. I just wanted to get your reaction. Don't mind me, I'm not going anywhere. Actually, I'm going outside the country to check my businesses outside. But nothing to worry about. I know you miss me. But as you know, when I travel, I come back with if I did. You guys don't have anything to worry about. I have established businesses in Nigeria, outside the country. I have bought property, bought cars, I bought things. So you have nothing to worry about. Mama and Choma, financial security is guaranteed.
Hey!
Egodo.
Odogunwa. Agunne. The day I gave birth to you, I knew that you are a lamb to this family. Yes. Hey!
It's really not by my making. It's God. You know, God knows that we have suffered so much. So he decided to do this for us, to change our lives. So much so that even if for any reason, I'm no more. I'm not saying I'll die, but for any reason I'm no more. Look for me, you don't see me. You will never ever go back to the days of poverty. Never.
One name. Please, watch what you say. Eh?
You're not going to die.
From the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. That's what the Bible says. So, I am very sure, I know that you do not wish to leave us anytime soon. So do not speak of that which you do not wish for.
Okay. Forgive me. It was a slip of the tongue. Of our reality.
The reality is that we are going to live together as one happy family.
Amen.
In this house together forever.
Amen.
That is the reality.
Amen.
Now that we're supposed to be enjoying that you delivered us from the plague of poverty, just like Moses delivered the Egyptians. Delivered the Israelites from the plague of the Egyptians.
Chima the wise one. You and wisdom. Perhaps that's why I love you so much as a brother. I know. I love you too. Okay. What I've just said this morning, please, don't joke with it. I'm actually very serious. Okay? Please, don't joke with it. Alright, moving on to the next thing. The love we share among us, I want it to remain there, no matter what. The same love that has carried us through the stormy days. Same love has brought us to this point. And I want that same love to continue carrying us. Okay? No matter what happens. At all. I don't want anything to happen to that love. That burning fire of love that we have. Keep it burning, please. If you promise me that.
I promise.
Chima.
Cross my heart.
You.
As long as I live, brother.
Mama.
Odogu. Agunne.
Mama. Tupu itube mafa.
Kantu chakanage Odogu.
Mama, tupu itube mafa. Can you just promise me this?
I promise. As long as God sustains life in me, I will never let you down.
Thank you. And you know this promise, please, I take it seriously. It's not just a promise, it's a covenant. So I want you to keep to it. Okay?
It's all good.
Then the last thing, in case any of you decides to go to the village, go have fun, any kind of food. You may have village girlfriends, I don't know. Decide to go see them. Just know that that house in the village, very soon, Makoboya, it will not be there anymore. I build the bigger ones. So if you're missing the house, follow me, let me show you something.
Hey, oh mama. Ugbo guys. Ugbo guys. Not the way. Ugbo guys.
Father, this is a check for 10 million naira. Let's just say it's my own contribution to the work of God. I also want you to pray for my forgiveness and for the salvation of my soul.
Well, my brother, this is a benevolent demonstration. And I say, may our good God in His infinite mercy replenish every source of the seed you've sown to the church today. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Let us pray.
I thank you all for honoring this invitation. I thank you immensely. Yes, I understand that we're all very busy people, but out of your very busy schedule, you still made out time to be here.
Amen.
You found time out of your busy schedule to come here and celebrate and enjoy with this family. Some months back, things were different. But as you can see, things have changed. There you go now. There you go, moto.
The masquerade himself.
One day. And I want to say it here that the same God that did it for this family will also do more for your family. Amen. Amen. Thank you for coming. I give thanks to God. I give thanks to you people. I give thanks to my family, my brothers, my mother here, my sister, who have been, who have stood like a rock, for me in times of trouble. Also, I want to give special thanks to my friend here, Pitoto, aka Babaja, Pitoto Oil and Gas. Thank you for what you did for me. Without you, I would not be here today. Thank you.
Oh my God.
As you can see, all of you, we have so much to eat and so much to drink. Please, enjoy yourselves. Many more people are coming. My friends are coming. Ebaga Diegu in a few minutes. Please, enjoy yourselves. There's so much to eat. Good life, to good health, to more fun. Enjoy yourselves, please. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
That's so. She said we shall eat and make what?
So please, enjoy yourselves. Enjoy yourselves. Baba said,
the masquerade himself.
Make way, come on, make way. Mama, let's go closer. That's good. I found a point to you. Okay, I'm making a phone call.
Lack of no money, bad you. If you say money no good, now you sabi you. If you no get the money, who are you? Do you get the money? How are you? If you dey suffer, get away. If you get the money, have a nice day. Money good, money they make life sweet. Oye Diego na baku wana cho money good, Obamaka. Money good, money they make man to find you. No shaking, I couldn't see a big money good, Obamaka.
Why are you crying?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Kachi, you're shedding tears on a special day like this, when everybody's out there waiting for us. I mean, waiting for you. What happened?
Tears of joy. Come. You know, when I think about all the things that God has done for us, it overwhelms me. It makes me cry.
Kachi, I know how you feel. But you must learn to control your emotions. Now that our guest is still around. Okay, you must come with me. Your friend Mama just said for you.
Alright, don't worry. Tell him I'll be with him shortly. Yes.
Stop crying, okay?
Such a decision? Can you tell me the essence of making money and not being alive to enjoy the money?
You only have very few days left. You must get a casket for your last rituals tomorrow for the necessary ritual.
God's time is the best.
30 million naira, sir.
I'll take it.
Alright, sir. Is this so? And then come with me. Please come with me.
God's time is the best. God's ways are the best. Don't go it on your own. You'll be lost and all alone. It is time He will bless. God's time is the best. God's time is the best. God's ways are the best. Don't go it on your own. You'll be lost and all alone. It is time He will bless. God's time is the best. God's time is the best. God's ways are the best. Don't go it on your own. You'll be lost and all alone. In His time you'll be blessed. God's time is the best. We never listen to the word of God. We go to the devil for the things of God. The devil
Kachi, can't you get a Kachi, can't you get a Explain what? I need the explanation right now and here.
Easy now. I just told you I will explain later. There's a reason for this. Guys, bring it out, sir.
No, you're not going anywhere with this forbidden thing.
Don't cause a scene here. I just told you I will explain later.
Kachi, explain. Kachi,
What is going on here?
I'll explain now. Relax.
Huh?
Why are you taking this thing to?
Relax.
Why are you taking this thing to? What's the meaning of this? What is going on? Hey! It's going to get a pumpkin. Come on. What is going on? Hey! Kachi.
Like I said before, I don't see anything wrong with me buying a casket for my burial. I don't think there's anything there. It's normal. I have made enough money to be able to do that. At least for the fact that I became a multimillionaire at this age, and within a very short period of time. I think I deserve a befitting burial. And that casket is part of my definition of a befitting burial. Okay, so
mean, most rich men do it. It's nothing. Okay? Buying a casket, it's worth 30 million. I don't think there's anything there.
Katibia, you mean after this torture, suffering and humiliation, you made money? All you could do for yourself was to just go to the market and purchase a casket worth 30 million naira for yourself. And you say it's nothing?
It is not just the money. It's not just the money. Why purchase a casket? Why?
See, guys, stop sounding surprised. There's nothing there. I have enough money to do that. Okay? 30 million naira is nothing. Look at where we live. It's not a problem. I still have much more for you people. Okay? It's nothing. Besides, the casket is just wood. Piece of wood endowed with pure silver, that's all.
Piece of wood? Piece of wood indeed. Kachi? So the only gift you can give to yourself is death? Eh?
Mama, please, stop sounding that way. We need to come to terms with reality. We're all going to die. That's the truth. Everyone here, each and every one of us, we're all going to die. Me, I've understood life. Life comes and goes. Okay? You live, you enjoy, you get to a point, you leave. So, there's nothing wrong with me preparing, my passage before I leave. Most rich men do it. It's nothing. Chimobi. Theo. I want both of you to promise me something. When I die, I want you to bury me in that casket. Please. It must be that casket. No other one. If you do not do that, that means you will subject my soul to eternal torture. And believe me, I will not forgive both of you.
Kachi, what is the meaning of this? When I die, when I die, when I die. How could you wish death for yourself? At this age, you want to die?
I don't understand.
Are you God? Are you Jesus Christ?
I don't understand. Mom, right now we're supposed to be making merry. Kachi.
If you promise me, you'll do exactly as I've said.
I promise.
Chima.
I promise. Hey, Chimobi. Even you. Oh.
Thank you. One more thing. When I die, I do not want the love we share among us to die. When we had nothing, there was so much love among us. We shared so much love. Now that we have plenty, the love is still there. But I do not want the love to go when I go. Okay? I want that love to remain there when I leave. As you know, I've made enough money. I have houses everywhere. I mean, if you decide to take those houses, 2 each, and, split them, you have more than enough. But I insist that you all live here in this house when I go. Even when you get married, please stay with your family here. That way we're going to ensure that we're going to ensure that the love we share
among us remains even after I die.
Kachi, why are you sounding like you're going to die soon?
Yes, hey. It's nothing. Don't worry. I don't think I'll die soon. Just a formality. More like telling you my will. Hey. Please, just one more day. Please, just one more day. Please, just one more day. I beg you. Please.
God's time is the best.